Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get flicker or bling effect in CapCut. So in here, what you need to do is add your videos into CapCut like this. Then duplicate it first. So click on the video and choose to duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. So on the overlay here, go to blend or splice and here, lower the opacity to around 80 and select the overlay mode. Click on the check icon and now add overlay and then add the white overlay from the CapCut library. You can find it on the trending or on the background category. Click on add now. Adjust the size until it covers all of your videos and also adjust the length of the white background by going to the speed. Click on normal and let's slow it down to have more longer video like that, like this. Now you can just go to splice and here lower the opacity, still on the overlay mode. I'm going to, let's try 40 and let's go back first and go to effect, video effects, and then just find the black flash video effect. Okay, this one. Click on adjust the speed to 100. Okay, now go back, click on the check icon, don't forget to adjust the line. And there you go, this is the flicker or bling effect for your videos. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!